This lesson will describe Catch and Effort Report number 9, Annual Vessel Trip Report, source log sheets. Report number 9 lists a summary of trips for a company for a selected year. The report will list all trips by vessel, showing the trip dates, effort, and catch for the target tuna species, as well as other species combined and the total catch for the trip. For pole and line and purse seine, the effort is shown as the number of days fishing and searching and number of days at sea, while for long line, the number of hooks is also shown as hundreds of hooks. Before running this report, you need to be aware that the source of the data is collected and entered log sheets, so these need to be collected and entered. The coverage of the log sheets may not be 100%. You should use the appropriate reconciliation report to identify and resolve any data gaps before producing this report. Refer to lessons on using reports for data quality control to learn more about other reports in Toughman that will provide an indication of the log sheet coverage. The log sheet weight data has been raised from available unloading data. So let's now go to our report menu. Okay, so we're in the Catch and Effort reporting submenu of the main menu. And we've got our parameters pre-entered. So the gear we've selected is long line. The nationality of the catch will be the national fleet. The year we're interested in is 2007. And we're looking at the Coos Fishing Company Limited. Once we've selected our parameters, we click on the Run Report button to run the report. Alternatively, if you wish to be able to carry out your own analyses of the data, you can run and open the report in Excel. We'll simply run the report. Make that larger so it's easier to see. Okay, the report lists all trips by vessel showing the trip dates, effort, and catch for the tuna species, as well as the other species and the total species combined. And that's for each trip. For longline vessels, the number of hooks and hundreds of hooks is also shown, while for pole and line and purse seine, the effort is shown as the number of days fishing and searching and number of days at sea. This report shows the activity, the effort and catch for each vessel. It can be used as a data quality report to check the coverage of log sheets and to present to companies to chase up missing log sheets. The report may also be useful if you want to assess the performance of all the vessels within one company, since the report may help to highlight vessels that are fishing better or worse than other vessels. Your observer coordinator may consider putting an observer on one of these vessels to look at the reasons. This type of report may provide useful reference material during access negotiations. That concludes this lesson.